Hi everyone, and thanks for checking out Devlog 0.1.1 of Blade Ballad. In this video, I will be showcasing the revamped inventory system and explain how it works. At the bottom, there are 5 slots which are bound to your alphanumeric keys. The column of slots to the left handles your armor, and the column to the right handle your garments, with some garment items that can function as extra inventory slots. For example, if I press E on this pair of pants, I can see its container to the right, and if I hold E, I can pick it up and equip it, which will bind its inventory to my character and display it on the left. While not accessing another inventory, you can drag items to the right of the tab, which will activate the crafting panel. Here you can slot 3 items, which will display all the available craftable items using said items. These items will be moved back to your inventory once you close it. Items that you want to drop can be dragged to the left or bottom edge of the screen. Dropped garment that has inventory will move its inventory to the dropped garment, and you can access it just like before. Trading uses the same grid system as exchanging items from another inventory container, but each item is given a price based off its base value, current condition, and quantity. That is all. Thanks for watching.